Final match between Vedas and Doon Eagles ended in the final scoreline 1-0 to Doon Eagles. Congratulations, Doon Eagles. And the man of the match for the final match goes to Samir. Samir, please. Samir, please get up to the stage. Anybody will do?
अभी कोई है नहीं यहाँ कौन पहुँचे यहाँ कौन आप फ्री होते तो ये मूवमेंट करो या फिर
Thank you, Samir. So requesting all the parents, players, coaches and referees of the under 15 category to gather around the stage. We'll be distributing the prizes as soon as the results come. Give us a few minutes. Any balls, bips on the ground? Players who are near the ground, please collect it. Please collect the pips and balls that are there. It will be dark soon. Referees also please gather around the stage. Referees.
चल रहा है ठीक है पूछ लो एक बार लाइव स्टार्ट कर दो लाइव स्टार्ट है ठीक है जब बीच में निकलने ही मना कर रहा है अरे अरे भाई हमारे फोटो अपलोड हो रहा है अभी नहीं हो रहे ना ड्राइव पे लिंक बन रहा है इनका फोटोज का आप बना रहे हो अपलोड कर रहे हो ना
It will be dark green.
आज मैंने बहुत एंजॉय किया आज के दिन ही आज हम
Requesting all the referees to come up to the stage. I request all the gathering here to give them a big round of applause for officiating at least 10 to 15 matches per day and making this possible. Thank you referees, thank you for your hard work for the past few days. Sunil Patel sir would be giving the our token of gratitude. Anil coach, please come and share the referee. He is a senior coach in Vedas and one of the organizers as well. Thank you, Anil coach. Thank you, under 23 players, to give them a code of honor. Thank you, referees, once again for helping us finish this competition without any fight between players and coaches or teams. Thank you, Anil coach. Thank you, referees. Once again, give them a big round of applause. Football is never complete without the referees. Vijay coach, can you please come to the stage? Vijay coach. Requesting the players of BBFS Vedas and coach Rohit to come to the stage. Requesting the players of BBFS Vedas and the coach Rohit to come to the stage. Rohit coach, please. BBFS Vedas players, please come to the stage. Sorry for the confusion. BBFS Vedas players, come to the stage along with your coach Rohit to collect your moment. I'm requesting everybody coming onto the stage to be a little faster because it's getting dark. Requesting Patolsa to give away the coach trophy to Rohit. Thank you, Rohit and BBFS Vedas. Now requesting BBFS Typhoons parents to come onto the stage. BBFS Typhoons parents. Requesting BBFS Typhoons parents to come to the stage. Please, sir. So requesting parents of Vipinki Toli to come to the stage. Requesting parents of Vipinki Toli to join the stage as well. Requesting the parents of Vipinki Toli's team to join the stage as well. Requesting the parents of Vipinki Toli to join the stage as well. Anybody is there? Please, please, ma'am, please join. Now I request Thank you, parents. Patel sir, I would request you to give the coach trophy to the coaches of Vipinki Toli, which would be Vipin and Udit. Requesting Patel sir to give coaches trophy to Vipin and Udit. Come forward, please, coaches. Give them a big round of applause. This team came fourth in the under 15 category. BBFS Vipinki Toli team. Give them a big round of applause, guys. Vipinki Toli. Thank you, parents. I request the parents to be still on the stage. I request the parents to be still on the stage. I request the parents to be still on the stage, please, ma'am. I request the team Typhoons to come onto the stage. BBFS team Typhoons, along with their coach. Team Typhoons, which finished at position 5 in the under 15 category. Players and coaches, please come to the stage. Please, friends, do them down also. Atul sir, I request you to give the trophy to the coach. Thank you, coach. Little faster, players and coaches. It's getting dark for the winners. Thank you, coach. Thank you, guys. I request BBFers, AR players, Panthers to come to the stage and receive your second runner-up trophies. Vaibhav, please join. Please give away the trophies or medals to the players. Give them a big round of applause. ARPS from Shillong. They travel a long way. The team who have received trophies, please be part of the gathering. Okay, there is a small misunderstanding, guys. ARPS Panthers is runner-up of the competition. They are not third place, they are the runner-up of the competition. There is a small confusion. Give them a big round of applause. They came second. Sorry for the misunderstanding, guys. Sorry. Sorry, ARPS Panthers. Sorry. But also, please hand over the trophy to the coach or the captain of. Give them a big round of applause, guys. They are the runner-ups of the under 15 category. ARPS from Shillong. Dio and this team. Thank you team.
हमने तो घुमाया नहीं, वही लोग आए इधर। अच्छा घुमाया कहाँ?
Give them a big round of applause, guys. Come on. Thank you, team. BBFS Doon Eagles, please. Parents of BBFS Doon Eagles, please come to the stage. Parents of BBFS Doon Eagles. Parents, please. Players, a minute. Coach, a minute. Coach, just. Parents, please come to the stage. Players, wait a minute. Parents, please join the players. Parents of BBFS Doon Eagles. Parents, sisters, brothers, cousins, please. Family of BBFS Doon Eagles. Family of BBFS Doon Eagles, please come to the stage. Sorry for the confusion, team. Patel sir, please hand over the coach trophy to coach. Give it up for Atul for finishing third with a goal difference of 1. Very close, Atul. Better luck next time. Come on, guys, hurry it up for the photo. It's going to get dark. Parents. Give them a big round of applause, guys. Now going to before revealing the winners, we will be going to the individual awards. Best goalkeeper goes to Abir from BBFS Titans. Patel sir, please do the honors. Abir from BBFS Titans. Best goalkeeper of the under 15 age category of Baichang Bhutia Champions Cup. Thank you, Abir. Now the best defender for the under 15 category of BBCC goes to Pakhtar Siga from ARPS. The best defender goes to Pakhtar Siga from ARPS. Please come to the stage and collect your honors. Give him a big round of applause, guys. The best defender. And now the best midfielder for the under 15 category BBCC goes to Vishal from BBFS Doon Eagles. Getting multiple man of the match and some amazing performance from Vishal. Give it up for him, guys. Give him a big round of applause. Vishal from BBFS Doon Eagles. Coming to the best forward of BBCC under 15 age category, it goes to none other than Brajesh from BBFS Titans, who has also got a lot of MVPs in the last few days. Congratulations, Brajesh, keep up the good work. Now, the senior category player of the tournaments for under 15 goes to BBFS Titans Jay. Please, Jay, get the beatings and compass. It's getting dark. Okay. Under 23 players, careful. Prashant coach, please control the players. Congratulations, Jay, for being the player of the under 15 tournament, under 15 category for the BBCC. Thank you. And now revealing the winners, champions of under 15 BBCC goes to none other than BBFS Titans. First, calling the parents of BBFS Titans to the stage, not the players. Players wait. The parents, please, asking the parents to come to the stage. BBFS Titans. Parents of BBFS Titans, please come to the stage.
भैया को दे दो एक ज्योति एक भैया को दे दो आपको अच्छा
Now I ask the players, the champions BBFS Titans, to come to the stage one by one along with their coaches. Now they're requesting the players, champions of under 15 category, to come to the stage along with the parents. Sorry, the coaches. The champions, if you want a good picture, arrange fast or else it's gonna be dark. If you want a good picture to remember, please hurry it up. Parents and coaches. So Patel sir, I request you to give the coach trophy to the coaches. Coaches, please come to this side. Coaches, please take the trophies from Patwal sir. One of the coaches don't like trophies. One of the coaches don't like trophies and seeing trophies. Thank you, coach. Please, everybody give them a big round of applause. The champions of under 15 Titans from Delhi. Okay. Pose for the photos, guys, before it becomes dark. Okay, yeah. Please, the coach or the captain collect the trophy from Sunil Patel, sir. The champions of the under 15 BBFS Titans from Delhi.
हेलो हाँ कौन हाँ शेरा बोले कौन बोले
आगे चाहे नीचे
अरे कौन यहाँ बोलो
चार पहले इसको
नहीं इनको
Thank you everyone. Thank you for all the parents, referees, officials, organizers, coaches, groundsmen, and ambulance as well. Thank you everyone. The BBCC is officially closed. Thank you. See you next week.
एक और फोटो बनती है भाई।
ऐसे ऐसे खड़े हो जाओ बी में।
हाँ ऐसे भी खड़े हो सकते हैं, ऐसे खड़े हो जाओ ना। बी बना के खड़े हो जाओ ना, बी लाइन से।
अबे वो किसके गए
हाँ, एक और रखो यहाँ पे।
बेटा
इनको बिठा दिया ना
ऐसे
बीच में कब रखो? चलो सारे खड़े हो ईमान। आ जाओ यार। सीधा करना।
ऐसे पकड़ लो, ऐसे पकड़ लो।
विनर वाले को पकड़ो। इसमें आके नहीं रखो।
Thank you all parents. Keep supporting BBFS and your children. Let the football grow.
ओके पोज पोज करो पोज करो।
पोज।
यू कैन कम इन द फ्रंट।
अब आगे आ जाओ।
वेरी गुड। चलो
आप एक सेकंड के लिए आ जाओ। सिर्फ एक सेकंड। One more.
चलो चलो चलो।
One more. एक और लो ना उसकी। सीधा कप ले रहा है।
गुड।
Congrats.
चलो मैं वापस इनको बाय बोलो।
हम तो कटने वाले थे। Thank you so much.
Requesting all the organizers to come up to the stage, coaches. Requesting all the ground staffs to come to the stage now. W bhai. Simply echo. Requesting the ground staffs to come to the stage for a sorry, for a photograph.
भाई 4 या 5 पे कितना है? 4 या 5 हाँ वैसे तो 3 मतलब प्लेस ऑन कैसे आ रहे फोटो दिखाओ।
Smile please.
Boys clap.
Guys, give it up for the ground staffs who has helped us